Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to edit photos in the Fotor app step by step. Fotor is a versatile and beginner friendly photo editing and design app available on the phone. It allows users to enhance photos, create collages and the social media graphics as well in order to edit photos step by step. Open to your Fotor app, and after that you can select this edit in the top here, and over here you can choose a photo from your camera roll or take a new picture with the camera as well. As I'm going to select one of the photo here, and you'll automatically get into this editing timeline. Over here at the bottom we can find this filters, adjust, magic eraser. You can also crop it if you want to. As I'm going to select one of the filters here, you can select the filter that you want and tap on the bottom right corner of the check mark, and it will automatically set to the filter that you have adjusted. You can go to this adjust on the bottom here. Over here you can select for the dehaze, exposure, brightness and contrast as well. You can adjust to the photos. You can slide a bit down until you find the crop and you can crop the photo. You can deselect unwanted parts by tapping there and simply move to this area of the edges, and that is it. And after you're done, you can save it in the top right corner. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.